behind me is where you get the Nusa Penida tickets. Once you get the tickets, the boats are actually just on the edge right here of the water. I'm gonna give you guys a quick glance. So I got the ticket. That's pretty much how the tickets look. Behind me, you see the boats. So there's not really like a dock where you kind of just walk onto the boat. You just kind of have to go from the water on. So you guys can see right here. Just gotta walk straight into the boat. They do have a team, a part of the boat that comes, collects your luggage if you need. So it makes it easy for you to bring your bags and like whatever carry-on and stuff like that that you guys bring with you. But yeah, and it's been pretty simple. The whole experience overall has been really good. Aside from the pandemic kind of ending, you know, the ports here are starting to get a lot more busier, so keep that in mind when you guys are booking your next Penida trip. Right now we're just about to board. You can put your flip-flops in that box right there. Behind us is the boarding. Yeah, can't wait. Oh, there we are. So we're about to hit up this trip right now. What's up guys, so we just made it to Nusa Penida. It was about an hour ride. It told us about an hour and a half, but with the fast boat it's a lot quicker. And it's so beautiful. The weather is so nice. The water is like turquoise blue behind me, as you can see. Just waiting for our driver. He's just gonna get out of the parking lot, and it's just beautiful. It's so great to be here. Finally get to try another island out here in Indonesia. We're here for 3 nights for Nusa Penida, and then one day we're gonna spend literally going from Cinigan to Lambongan, doing half day each of those 2 islands because they're smaller, so it's quicker to see. To the villa right now, got the gang with us in the back. Yeah. Say what's up. Woo! What's up, gang? And we got Made driving us right now, and he's really explaining how the roads are really tight here, and they really are. Like it's almost like a 1-lane road, to be quite honest. It's not even a 2-lane. 1 lane. So if you're coming to Nusa, make sure you hire a driver, especially if you're with a car. But bikes, you could get around a little bit easier. We're just making a quick coffee pit stop. Just to kind of start the day. Need some energy. Everyone's kind of thirsty, but the view here is really beautiful. What's up guys, so we just finished up a nice meal here in Nusa Penida. We just got here, had to get something to drink, had to get something to eat. I got myself a bintang, as you guys know how we do it, and the place is called The Chill Penida. So if you guys come here, make sure you guys check this place out. And I got the taco, the chicken taco, and honestly, amazing. 2 tacos, they're really massive, a lot of portion inside of it. I'm really full. I haven't eaten nothing all day, so highly recommend it. My dude over here recommended it. Thank you so much for that. Amazing staff, they took care of us. The service is great. So we're going right now to Diamond Beach, guys. It's gonna be a crazy experience. That's our first stop on the Nusa Penida run, and we're all super stoked to go check it out. The weather's beautiful, the sun's out, and buddy over here, Made, is telling us it's the best beach on the block. So we're gonna go check that spot out. Let's go see what's going on. Alright, so right now we just made it to well, you just heard Z just say it. We're headed up to the tree house right now. We're gonna check it out. I don't know where we're going. Super excited. This is like one of the bucket list shots for me and the gang. So we're gonna see how this looks firsthand. Hopefully it's not too busy. Alright guys, so we're just hiking down the treehouse viewpoint, and it's not that bad of a hike going down. It looks like going up is going to be a little bit more difficult, but the views is so rewarding, guys. It's so beautiful here. Check this out. Alright guys, so we're headed to the treehouse view, which is actually right there behind us. And as you're going down, you actually get this insane view of Diamond Beach, and it's so beautiful here in Nusa Penida, guys. Every direction you look, it's just so much scenery. I'll show you guys a little better view. So we hit the treehouse. Before you even get to the treehouse, you got this wicked little photo spot right at the top there with the heart. Highly recommend going there and getting some shots because the view you have from there is beautiful. So I'm just coming down the stairs. The treehouse is actually right above me right here, but there's some shots being taken right now, so you gotta wait in line. So even here, there's like this little platform. I've just kind of look out, and it's so beautiful, guys. Check this out. Let me show you guys. What's up, guys? So we just made it to Diamond Beach. It's actually quite empty here, not a lot of people. Alright guys, so we're just walking the path to get to Diamond Beach. We're at the very top of the hill. If you look over there, the view, the treehouse is actually just out there in the horizon. So it's kind of cool to see from the other side. The beach is beautiful. You can hear the waves crashing. The ocean, it is so beautiful. You can literally stand here and look out here for like hours and like have so much enjoyment out of it. We just passed by this very popular bakso place in Nusa Penida. So I told the driver, turn around, we're gonna go try that out. We're gonna try this bakso out. Apparently it's really popular here in Nusa Penida. A boy Made telling me, you gotta try it. So we made him pull over.
Best bakso in the island.
There you go. And he's an island boy, so you know, you gotta trust the guy over here. So we're eating some bakso here. It's tremendous. The flavor is really great. Z, first time trying it, and she loves it. And the girls out here,
oh yeah, love it too.
It's the first time in Bakso 1 right now. Thank you, Made, for the recommendation. And check out this view, guys. Look at the volcano. Literally lava coming out of our mouth right now.
Lava.
So if you're ever in Nusa Penida, make sure you stop at this little pink hut at the side of the road. So this is where it's at. So guys, we just finished the bakso. Everyone loved it. Made, thank you so much for the recommendation. Really good food. This pink little hut, look behind me, that's where you gotta be. The view behind me, you got Mauragang. So can't even explain it. Nusa Penida day 1, fuego.
Fuego.
So far so good. So we finished up East Nusa. Tomorrow will be the west side, and it's just, we're going all around the island. It's a lot easier to commute around here. The roads are a little bit difficult, so if you're gonna come out here, get a tour guide. Don't be responsible with any like issues out here. We almost ran over a chicken. Thing ran in front of us, started flying. But it would have been dinner, it's okay.